welcome to Gordon Guitar and to EMINEM, Brain Damage. Life ain't always great. Brain Damage. This is EMINEM's cool song. We'll look at the main two chords when it comes to the riff, and then we have one very easy chord progression that goes with just one pick per chord and a clap. So that is pretty much what this song is all about. So yeah, I will not go over like we usually do all the chords, because there are many chords with this kind of chorus play when it's very easy. So I think I can just go over the chords when we come to the chorus play. So let's start right away looking at the main play, the melody, the lick there. And we need to set our capo on the 5th fret to match up the sound. Okay, so first you will play from the A minor, and A minor looks like this. It's open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. That's the A minor, all right? So what I do here, I'll play, okay, like this, 3 downs pretty much, and I'll play a little bit more on the bass strings for the first 2, and then I just make a full downstroke. This is a little bit by feel, this lick here. It's changing constantly through the entire song, and we have some different notes here and there. I'm gonna give you one pattern to stick with, and you can play a little bit with it, okay? So it starts like this with A minor, 3 downs pretty much. And then we're gonna play, okay? That's notes from the A minor. And that's it for A minor. You're gonna play 2nd G, then open B, then 1st B, and open E. And that's the A minor part. So we are half into this melody. It's A minor and then D minor. But just to summarize the A minor, 3 downs on the chord, then the notes 2nd G, open B, 1st B, and open E. Yeah, then we switch to the D minor. The D minor looks like this. So it's open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. So I do just one downstroke on that one. And then I play this. So I hold the grip like this, and I play open E, 3rd B, 5th G, and back to open E. Okay, so that is the D minor, just one down on D minor, and then I go up to this grip, open E, 3rd B, 5th G, and open E again. This will be played in different ways through the entire song, and specifically this part changes constantly. So if you listen in the background, it plays some funky notes and pretty much whatever you want to play. I think it suits best to play notes from the D minor. This is a different grip, but it comes from the D minor chord. So feel free to play a little bit with it. This is just one kind of base to stand on, and you can go from there and do it in your way. Or perhaps listen to the original song and pick up some notes here and there and try to do it in your version. All right, so that is the melody. I'm gonna play through for you like we teach now, and then you can involve it into your way of playing. So let's go from A minor to D minor. If you notice there, I'm not playing just the actual notes. Sometimes I strum the notes, which means I'm gonna bring in strings around the actual note, but I'm very aware of where the melody goes, so I try to emphasize the notes we learned, looked at, but you can also bring in some notes around it. It doesn't matter. So yeah, feel free to play with A minor and D minor. That will go on for the verse play. Now let's look at the chorus play. Okay, so we have a bunch of chords there, but it's very easy. We're gonna pick the chords. I'm gonna show you the grips, and I'm gonna show you which note to emphasize, because this is in the same way for all chorus play rounds here in this song. You're gonna play and pick the chords in the same way. So you're gonna play first the A minor. We looked at that chord. That was the first chord for the verse play. This, now you're gonna pick and try to emphasize the first fret B string. So pick the open A, the second D, the second G, and emphasize the first B. This one. Pick all the strings together and hit a clap like this. Then we change chord to D minor. Now we looked at that chord as well. Here it's enough if you just pick the open D together with second G and third B. You want to emphasize the third B here. Then we're gonna go to the F chord, and we can actually play a shorter version of F, which will be third on D together with second G and first B. Try to emphasize the first B. This one, and a clap. Then we go over to E minor bass chord, and you're gonna play this. So play the open E together with open D, open G, and open B. So everything is open. And hit a clap. Then we're gonna do the D minor again, but this time we're gonna emphasize the second fret G string. So it's enough if you actually just gonna play the open D together with second G. So like this, just two strings, and hit a clap. Then we move to C, the C bass picking here, and we're gonna emphasize the open G. So it's enough if you just play the third fret A together with second fret D and open G, which you're gonna emphasize like this. Then we're gonna play a chord that is GB. That means it's a G chord but with a B in the bass. So the bass will be now the second fret A. Pick that together with open D, open G, and third B. And the third B is the one you want to emphasize here, this one. So hit that one, hit a clap as well. All chords need a clap in this song. And the final chord will be based upon the E chord or the E minor. And you will play that in the same way as you played the E minor before. You pick the open E together with open D, open G, and open B. Yeah. You can actually add in the second fret on the D string there, and that goes for both these E minor chords. It actually belongs to it. So pick the open E, second D, open G, and open B. That. Okay, so many chords, very easy. Just pick the grips, and it's not that fast, so you have time to switch in between. So pick and clap after each and every chord. I'm gonna play for you this chorus play. I'm gonna do it for one round. So let's go. That's how you do it. So yeah, I think it's 2 rounds for each chorus. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 2 rounds of this chord progression, and then it goes back again to this main verse play. So have fun with EMINEM Brain Damage. So I hope to see you soon, guys. And yeah, cool song. Play tuned.